Hello guys, I hope you are doing really well. Today I have with me Bose QuietComfort Ultra 2nd generation earbuds, and in this video I will show you how to fix the connection issue for these earbuds. So I will show you 5 different problems and solutions. So let's start. The first problem is about unsuccessful connection. So I will open my phone's Bluetooth settings, and then here you will see Bose QuietComfort Ultra 2 earbuds are not connected. Now if I try to connect these earbuds, you will see this message of connection unsuccessful. So how to fix this issue? First of all, you have to select this option of forget device, and then in the next step you have to turn off your phone Bluetooth, and then you have to insert these earbuds inside the charging case. So I will insert these earbuds inside the charging case, and then you have to turn on your phone's Bluetooth settings, and then here it will show you Bose QuietComfort Ultra 2 earbuds. So I will select it, and then this time they will start making a connection. So here you can see Bose QuietComfort Ultra 2 earbuds are now connected with my device and they are ready to use. The next problem is about Bluetooth not showing these earbuds in available device list. So for example, if I open my phone's Bluetooth, and here you will see these earbuds are not showing in available device list. So how to fix this problem? First of all, you have to insert these earbuds inside the charging case. So I will insert them one by one inside the charging case, and then in the next step you have to use this Bluetooth button at the back side of charging case. So you have to press and hold this button for 5 seconds, and after 5 seconds it will show you these earbuds in available device list. So I will press and hold this Bluetooth button, and here you can see now it is showing Bose QC Ultra 2 earbuds, and then I can select these earbuds, and now this time they will start making a connection, and here you can see Bose QC Ultra 2 earbuds are now connected with my device and they are ready to use. The next problem is about failed connection. For example, the earbuds are inside the charging case and charging case is closed. And now if I turn on my phone's Bluetooth settings, here you can see it is showing Bose QC Ultra 2 earbuds and they are not connected. If I try to connect them, after few seconds, you will see a message of connection unsuccessful. So here you can see this connection unsuccessful message, and it is also saying make sure Bose QC Ultra 2 earbuds is turned on and in range. So first of all, how to fix this problem? So you have to select this OK option from here, and then in the next step you have to select this eye icon, and then you have to select forget this device, and then I will select forget device again. And then what you have to do, you have to open the charging case, and then from the back side you have to press and hold this Bluetooth button for 5 seconds. So I will press and hold this Bluetooth button for 5 seconds, and then it will show you Bose QC Ultra 2 earbuds in available device list. Now you can leave this button, and now I will try to connect them. So I will select these earbuds, and then after few seconds here you can see now Bose QC Ultra 2 earbuds are connected with my phone and they are ready to use. The next solution is about hard reset. So if you already try previous 3 methods and you still have connection issues, you can try hard reset method. First of all, you have to open your phone's Bluetooth settings. So I will open my phone's Bluetooth settings, and here you can see Bose QC Ultra 2 earbuds. You have to select this eye icon. And then from here you have to select forget this device, and then you have to select forget device again. So these earbuds are now disconnected with my phone Bluetooth settings. Now in the next step you have to disconnect them with Bose app. So I will open Bose app, and here you can see Bose QC Ultra 2 earbuds, and on top right corner it is showing you this account icon. So you have to select this account icon, and then from here you have to select manage products. So I will select manage products, and then from here you have to select this edit option. So I will select edit option, and then you have to select Bose QC Ultra 2 earbuds. So I will select them, and then from here you have to select this delete option. So I will select delete, and then I will select remove. Now Bose QC Ultra 2 earbuds also remove from my app. Now what you have to do, you have to insert these earbuds inside the charging case. So I will insert these earbuds inside the charging case. And then in the next step, you have to press and hold this Bluetooth button for 25 seconds, and you have to repeat this process for 3 times in a row. So I will press and hold this Bluetooth button for 25 seconds, and after 25 seconds this status light will turn off. So here you can see the light is turned off. Now I can leave this button, and now for the second time I will repeat the same process. So I will press and hold this Bluetooth button for 25 seconds again, and after 25 seconds you will see this status light will turn off. So here you can see the light is turned off, and now I can leave the button, and now I will repeat the same process for the last time. So I will press and hold this Bluetooth button for 25 seconds, but this time after 25 seconds you will see this status light will blink amber for 3 seconds and then slowly blink blue, which means Bose QC Ultra 2 earbuds are fully hard reset. The next solution is about removing Bose app. So even if after doing the hard reset you still have connection issues, you have to delete Bose app and you have to use these earbuds without this app. So I will delete Bose app from my phone. So I will remove this app and then I will delete it. And now I will open my phone's Bluetooth settings. So I will open my phone's Bluetooth settings, and here you can see it is showing Bose QC Ultra 2 earbuds. So I will select it, and now it will start making a connection. And here you can see Bose QC Ultra 2 earbuds are successfully connected with my device and they are ready to use. The next thing is, if you want to switch between different modes, so you just have to tap and hold at the back side of these earbuds. So you just have to tap and hold it like this, and then you can switch between quiet, aware, immersion or cinema mode. So this is for today's video. Please like this video and please subscribe to my channel. Thank you very much.